welcome to the Bollywood Talk Show on IWM Buzz. This is your host Shubhajit Ghosh back once again with another interesting episode. And today I have with me somebody. मैं क्या कहूँ यार, मतलब she symbolizes gorgeousness, beauty, talent, सब कुछ एक साथ. मतलब इनके candid photos जो है Instagram में ना, ऐसा है कि candid word खुद भी शर्मा जाए और ये बोल दे कि नहीं आज से मेरा नाम मालविका हो जाए. That is the charm of this lady. Thank you so much, Malvika Mohanan, for joining me over here. It's a pleasure. Looking forward to see your happy face throughout this entire duration.
That was quite an introduction.
I have some interesting questions for you. So basically, एक छोटा सा fun segment है. How can we not keep it fun with you around? Let's go for it. So the first one is the one secret that you have kept a secret from your parents even now. Please be honest. Mummy is around.
One secret, मतलब ऐसा कोई बड़ा secret तो है नहीं. It's all like, I mean, घर से permission issues की problem तो होती है, which every girl in India can connect with. So like lying at home about
Not
like
just girls, even guys.
even guys. So lying at home saying कि you know मैं बस नीचे जा रही हूँ and going to like a friend's house around, like things like that, like all, like little things.
Yeah, harmless
Nothing
stuff.
big, yeah. Harmless stuff. Harmless. With parents, it's always harmless stuff.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so who is your secret crush?
My secret crush.
किसी को नहीं पता, लेकिन आप बता सकते हो इन पब्लिक प्लेटफॉर्म. अभी तो पूरी दुनिया देखेगी अभी.
Secret crush, मतलब I really like Ranbir Kapoor.
Okay.
He's a crush.
Okay, we'll take that answer. No worries. चलो ठीक है, ये इंटरेस्टिंग सवाल है. If a genie granted you 3 wishes right now, वो कौन से 3 चीजें हैं जो आप चाहोगे अपने लिए?
अपने लिए.
Yes. अपने लिए you can ask for your close ones as well, but 3 things.
I think right now, given the situation, I would ask for health for my family.
Yeah.
And for everyone that I can, I would ask that ये virus बस चला जाए. It's just causing so much sadness, so much. I mean, it's become. हम अभी मस्ती में बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन it's become something else right now. It's like a apocalypse of sorts right now.
Horror story in itself. It's like a horror story in itself.
Yeah, it's a horror story. So I really sorry to take a fun segment into a serious part, but this is my current state of mind.
Of course, you can't ignore the reality, na? It's a part of
ignore the reality,
our environment,
and
right?
yeah, and I don't believe in not talking about the real things. You know, it's important to talk about the real things. We are all having a lot of anxiety, a lot of grief, a lot of fear. So yeah, my number one thing would be कि COVID, बस you know,
Okay.
COVID को हटा दे.
बाकी के 2 चीज जानने के लिए I'm getting very excited right now.
बाकी के 2 चीज. Okay, let me think about work. Let me think about something lighter. I really want to do a film with Ranbir Kapoor. I really like him.
That just adds up to the crush wala part. And,
I really want to do a film with him. Number 3, what do I want? I would like right now I'm in a phase where I want to buy a car, yeah. So I would like ask for a really nice car.
Okay, so
Yeah.
that will happen. That will happen. Chalo, which takes me to the next question. The most embarrassing thing, if at all there's anything embarrassing that you have ever done in your first date. First date पे सबका कुछ ना कुछ embarrassing हो ही जाता है. We think something else, we do something else. Did you ever do anything like that?
It's a very bachchu thing. It's a very small thing. I remember I was in college or something and I was on a date and और उस टाइम पे तो मतलब हम पॉकेट मनी पे सर्वाइव करते थे ना, ऐसा फैंसी रेस्टोरेंट, like there was no concept of like anything fancy, and हम कोई मॉल के फूड कोर्ट में गए थे and we were like, you know, like let's eat, and like the date was happening in the malls. I think it was in Orbit Mall or something like that, the food court. Or I was being very adventurous and I was like, chalo, like I'll order a Subway and Subway sandwich. And I realized, like, as I started eating, I realized it's the most messy thing you can eat on a date. And I'm a very messy eater. And like that whole sandwich collapsed niche se, all of the vegetables, sauce, everything was like all over my dress. And
मैं एक सच बात कहूँ, you are thinking that's embarrassing. For the guy who's just on the opposite side of the table, that's the cutest thing that he can see.
I don't think it was really cute. It was just really messy. And I smelled like chicken after that. I smelled like chicken and mayonnaise, you know. But I didn't care. I was still like, okay, it's a little embarrassing.
Very sweet, very sweet. Okay, The last person you stalked on social media.
The last person I stalked on social media. Um, I think I stalked Alia Bhatt because she's been sharing a lot of really crucial information, and
Yes,
I
yes, yes.
think
Just
like
collaborated with Faye D'Souza as well for something
I
really
was
nice.
wondering how to help in a more, क्योंकि मुझे मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि अभी सोशल मीडिया पे जो हो रहा है,
Yeah,
information overload हो रहा है. Everyone is sharing so much information. If I
yeah,
actually need help,
yeah,
or if I actually want to help,
yeah.
there is no focus on the information. Everything is everywhere. Everyone's sharing hospital bed required,
Right,
oxygen cylinder required. If I actually need an oxygen cylinder, मैं सबका Insta story जाके थोड़ी देखूंगी. So I think there needs to be a little more focused help. So I was wondering how to do that, and I've been in talks with some NGOs in Chennai about how to help in a more focused manner.
yeah.
And because Alia had a collaboration with Faye D'Souza, I was looking for ideas of what can I do, like what can I contribute, apart from sharing information. क्योंकि इतने सारे लोग हैं यार जो हुआ कोई हंग्री, जिनके पास खाना नहीं है. तो मेन प्रॉब्लम तो यही है कि मेन प्रॉब्लम है कोविड, हेल्थ केयर कोलैप्स हो रहा है, लोगों को बेड्स नहीं मिल रहे, एम्बुलेंसेस नहीं है, ऑक्सीजन नहीं है. लेकिन देयर आर लाइक सेकेंडरी एंड टर्शरी प्रॉब्लम्स आल्सो व्हिच आर lack of food, lack of basics for the underprivileged.
Need the resources.
So I've been sitting with my team and figuring out how to like build on that. So hence Alia Bhatt. That became a very long answer. Now I've turned your fun segment into a
Hey, but
COVID
yeah,
talk.
I just feel somewhere down the line, a justification probably was important from your end because otherwise people would have had their own assumptions because you mentioned about Ranbir Kapoor as your crush. तो वो अपने आप में दिमाग में सोच ले रहे थे अच्छा ठीक है इसलिए she was
I,
rushing in
I
a
don't I
movie.
don't want to date him or anything. I just like watching him on movies. I think he's a fantastic actor and he looks nice.
Okay. The next question that I have for you is ki, that one childish thing which you still love to do and don't really give a damn about any sort of judgment, even after becoming a very popular actress.
I I still do everything without caring, yeah. Like कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे, क्या करना है and all of that. What do I like to do? I mean, I still dance like a crazy person when I'm at parties and I don't care about.
So रात को मैं बताता हूँ रात के 2 बजे when नींद नहीं आ रहा है when you're not able to sleep and you're listening to music घर पे रूम में कोई नहीं है and you start dancing. Have you ever done that?
Sometimes.
Otherwise मुझे लगता है कि only I'm the one who's doing all this nonsense.
No. Everyone does this in their private spaces.
What is the naughtiest thing that you have ever done in public?
Naughtiest thing I've ever done in public.
Yeah.
I think when I take road trips, like there is not always like a toilet to pee.
Yeah.
हम जब स्कूल ट्रिप्स पे जाते थे, कॉलेज ट्रिप्स पे जाते थे, like the bus would stop and we would just like find a big rock or something
Yeah.
and pee behind the rock.
Yeah,
Which was
that's
not
very
ideal, but yeah.
no, but that's very natural. The second last question, ये interesting है मैं ये सुनना चाहूँगा. A rumor that you would love to start about yourself.
A rumor that I would love to start about myself.
Yes. आप बस बोल दो लोग ऐसे ही चालू कर देंगे उसके बाद.
That I'm doing Sanjay Leela Bhansali's next film.
हाँ.
I love how he makes his heroines look, yeah. I love the whole look and the whole
the grandeur and all the
grandeur, the princessy
so
look.
beautiful to see. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay. So that one thing on earth you do for fun and people, they judge you but you still do it.
For fun.
Yeah. मतलब the question that I mean is कि आप करते हो मजाक के लिए but लोग आपको सोचते हैं कि यार what is she doing? ऐसा भी होता है ना कभी-कभी. ऐसा कुछ है?
ऐसा तो मैंने नोटिस ही नहीं किया because I really don't think about what people think.
That's being मालूम
So I don't care. I'm like तुम्हें judge करना है करो. I'm not even gonna look at you, so I don't care. But I get that a lot when I'm riding I love riding bikes. मुझे बहुत पसंद है. तो मैं and I love Enfield in particular. they're not paying me to say this or something, but I generally like the machine. So I
वो
love
दिखता है,
NP.
you know, social media as
Whenever
well.
people see a girl ride a bike, they all, it's still like shocking to them. Arey, ladki chala rahi hai bike, and I'm like,
And that too
matlab,
a Royal Enfield Bullet. है ना?
yeah. They're
That-
like, can you? It's all judgment. Like whenever I go to the bike, they're all like, will you be able to lift it? It's so heavy. Tum to itni patli ho. And then I start riding, and then they shut up. So I'm like, okay.
So that's all judgment for them, you know, for them, but it's all badass stuff for you. And I hope and wish that you continue to do all this.
Yeah.
You know, may you keep entertaining your fans. May you put those interesting photographs, वो workout वाले photos, वो अच्छे, you know, photo shoot वाले images डालते रहो आप, and may you keep
Yeah.
entertaining your fans. Thank you so much for joining me over here. It's a pleasure, and I wish you all
Thank
the
you,
best.
Shubhajit.
Stay safe.
Thank
God
you.
bless, and we shall speak soon.
Thank
And
you
I'll
so
see